Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can join Discord server as Incognito. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course have your invite link ready. So make sure to paste it, and then once you have your invite link ready, you will just have to click it and then enter it on your web browser and just wait for it to load. And now that you're here, what you will have to do is just enter any displayed name that you want. So for example, I would want something like let's say Kyle Kyle, and I will just have to set the date of birth as your as literally anything you want because you're just a guest. So, but you could also input your real names, and then after that you will just have to click create account, and then you will be able to actually um enter the server that you've been invited in. And that's basically just it. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I really hope it was helpful. Thank you and have a good day.